Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube page. This is wire. This we have here. We have TECNO 7G charging leg jumper, charging IC jumper. You can see this phone is in the lights and it's not charging. So we want to know why it's not charging. Let's check it and know why it's not charging. Okay. So first of all, I have to remove the charging point. The charger first, and then we remove the battery terminals. Okay, carefully. Then we disconnect the screen of the phone, and now we have our phone with us now. So this is the phone. This is the panel. Let's see what I can show you. This is my meter. This is my meter. Yeah. So this is my meter now. So let us read and know why it's not charging. So this, like I always told you guys, this side of my left hand side is the plus, while this side of my right hand side is the minus. So let's go. And this is reading 00, which means it's touching each other. As you can see, 00. So let's see. Now let's read it. You touch here. Okay, you can see the minus is working. The one to my right hand side is working properly. It's working. Now let's check with the one to my left hand side. You can see it's not working. So there have been a disconnection from the positive charge. So it's not working. So in note phone you can see that VBOS. Note phone you can see that VHCH. For this phone we have VCHG, which is this one now. This leg controls the charging leg, which is the one at the left hand side. So let us check if it's working. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's not working. So there might be a problem. So it's not working here. It has an issue here. But don't be scared. There's another way of doing it. Now we need to know the charging legs. Now this is it. This is my minus. This is my minus. This is my minus, right? This is my minus. So let's go to the plus. Is it minus, 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 minus? Is it plus? But this one is it plus. This is in 452. 452. Which means charging leg. 452 means charging leg completed. So this is the charging leg. This is the charging leg. This is 452. That means it's the charging leg. So we are getting the positive charge of the phone. So what we have to do is just connect it from here. You take a running wire. And you take it from here to here, and the phone will be back and charge. And this is in case you don't know what running wire. This is running wire for those of you that are new here. This is running wire. You take your running wire, you tap the last leg at my left hand side to this point, and the phone will start to charge. I'll be fast on that. Sorry. This is my running wire. I tap it on the leg. On the leg. Please always remember to clean your soldering mouth to make it more hot and make your work more neat. So I've done it. So I have to just tap the wire from the legs. You can see, guys, I'm tapping the wires. So see, I'm tapping the wires. So I'm tapping the wires now. So then we cut the one which is not relevant. You cut it off. And you tap the wire. So you can see these legs. So you can see I've drew the wire from here, left hand side, to the points for the charging. So let's first really do the meter to know if it's working now. Let me see if it's working. So let us see if it's working for now. Sorry. So this is it's working here. Let's see if it's working here. It's working here and it's working here. So let us check and see if it's charging now. So please subscribe to my page. After watching this video, please and like my videos, and I'm waiting for your comments. So guys, this is so that's the first one. So then the second one. Now for the last one, which is for the last one, which is this one. So let us see if our phone is charging now. So let's see if our phone is charging. So you can see. So guys, please remember, my name is Eastwire. I'm from Diagnosing. Please subscribe to my page. Thank you guys. Bye. Please watch out for my next video. Thank you.